Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Canzaro here today.
And Gianna.
Today I'm going to be preparing for you Fiore di Zucca, which is
Zucchini blossom.
This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients that we need. Ricotta, mozzarella, prosciutto, eggs, parsley and basil, black pepper, salt, Parmesan cheese, corn oil, and zucchini. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next recipe
And bon appetit.